Let me show you how to make tofu so delicious. It will put your local barbecue stand to shame, and it all happens right in your air fryer. Start with chicken tofu, the kind that particularly melts in your mouth. Cut into cubes and arrange in a foil tray. Pour over 2 beaten eggs. This creates the perfect custardy piece. Into the air fryer, it goes at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. While that cooks, make the magic sauce, minced garlic, spicy chili flakes, and barbecue seasoning. Awaken by sizzling hot wine. Boost it with rich soy sauce and oyster sauce until the aroma makes your mouth water. When the timer goes off, blanket the tofu with that fragrant sauce and return to the air fryer for just 5 more minutes. What emerges is pure perfection. Crispy edges giving way to creamy centers, all swimming in that addictive spicy sauce. One bite and you will understand why this beats any street food version. The air fryer gives that perfect texture while keeping everything incredibly moist.